Hey guys, Goat here. We are in beautiful Roswell, New Mexico, hanging out here at Bottomless Lake State Park. On the agenda today, just a little touring. We're going to go into town, and of course we're going to learn about some UFOs and some aliens, but we're also going to do some other fun stuff. So thought we'd bring you guys along. All right, so everybody knows Roswell is known for aliens, but did you also know they have a free zoo? Check this out. Red foxes, although it looks like one of them's actually white. Happy puppy. Very tired llama. This poor guy just cannot go on anymore. He just finished working a night shift at Amazon and warehouse deals, it would appear.
Look at his nose.
Good Monday. You remind me of my kitty back home, Pinky. You guys don't belong in there. You belong soaring high over Long Lake. So fierce in his eyes. Wow. Caged but not conquered. Pretty cool little zoo for free. Hi there, little tortoise. We found the farm animal exhibit. Hi, Goat. I'm Goat. Nice to meet you. More birds. The red-tailed hawk. Hi there. Aren't you pretty? What do you guys think of this free zoo? Yeah, all kinds of neat animals, huh? What's been your favorite animal so far, Jelly Bean? The turtles? What about you, Ed?
Probably
The bobcat? Yeah, he was adorable. He looked like Pinky in a cage. Really cool park. Really cool park and free zoo. The lemurs came out.
This one was sunbathing. It was sitting in like a yoga position, and that's how they sunbathe.
He's gonna stretch out in his sunbathing pose. Yeah. An encounter with Mindy's spirit animal.
Nothing more vicious in the wild than a badger. Look at him.
He looks adorable. He looks like he just wants to come cuddle up on your lap.
Oh, look at that.
So many birds. Roswell City Park / free zoo.
Awesome. I love it.
Yummy, yummy lunchtime. Figured I'd come back over here and say goodbye to my namesakes. Hi there. Hi. How are you? Oh yeah. You. A lot of girls are still finishing up their lunch. I think up next, we're probably going to go see the Museum of Aliens. The truth is out there. Well, that was the UFO Museum and Alien Research Center. What'd you think of that, Ev?
It's pretty cool.
This is our future alien hunter back here. So, any thoughts, Star?
Lots and lots of information.
Yep. You believe?
Yes.
Something happened here, didn't it?
Yep.
What do you think? Something happened here, T?
Yeah.
For sure. All right, well, I guess next, the movie theater.
Your sign pointing at my sign, so people are going to look at my sign.
What'd you think of Call of the Wild, babe?
It was awesome. I loved it. I want a dog.
How was your movie, Star?
It was beautiful. About brother and sisterhood.
What did you see?
Onward.
Onward. Speaking of onward, onward. She likes to play that skip. Beautiful, almost summer-like day. Shorts, t-shirt. How would you describe the weather today, Star? It's almost balmy. How else do you wrap up a day at Roswell than at the spaceship shaped McDonald's? Alright, well, that's going to wrap up a day in wonderful Roswell, New Mexico. Girls, what'd you think of Roswell?
It is a really nice town.
Fun place to hang for a day, huh? What were you saying, Jelly?
I really liked it.
Yeah? How about you, Starsky?
I really liked it too.
Anything to add, Mindy?
I surprisingly liked it.
Yeah,
I'll come back. It is a good place to look for aliens.
definitely.
Yeah.
All right, well, from our tribe to yours. Until next time, peace. Cap off the day with a little sunset photography shoot here from high over the lake.